Gang, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Latoya Princess. This is my first video of the year, so happy new year. I hope that everyone has a prosperous year. Last year was really hard for me, so I hope that this year is better. Okay, we're gonna start the year off with this hair review. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna show you the styling, how I apply the wig, how I got this look, and then I'm going to give you the specs and my thoughts. Okay, so if that is something you are interested in seeing, stay tuned. So today's wig is from Hairsmarket. It comes in this pretty pink satchel. Inside the satchel is some goodies, and this red Christmas hat was one of them. It also comes with a nude wig cap, a purple satin bonnet, which is so pretty. It's reversible. It has adjustable straps, and it comes with some eyelashes, and of course the unit, which is deep wave. It is 26 inches, 180% density, so it is very thick the way I like it. And then it is a 13x4 HD lace wig. It comes with 3 combs, adjustable straps. The hairline is pretty full as well, so you might wind up plucking it to make it a little bit more natural looking. Okay, so I washed the unit off of camera, and I also set my parting space, and we are about to apply it to my head. I also put the adjustable straps on as much as possible because I do have a small head. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pin the hair back on both sides, and then I'm going to take a piece off the front and part it because that's going to be the baby hairs. I don't want a lot of baby hairs. I literally just want just 2 like little swoops. That is all. So I'm going to cut it, and then it is thick, so I am going to pluck it. Okay, so I'm gonna get the tweezer, and I'm just going to pluck throughout that small section. Even though I already cut it, there are a few hairs that's just a little long still, so I'm gonna recut it, just the part that is long. And I'm finishing up on the plucking, and now we are going to spray the lace with the Got to Be Glued spray, ultra glued. Okay, and we're gonna put an elastic band on our head, and I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm taking the elastic band off, and as you can see, that HD lace actually melted. Okay, but we're gonna fix the scalp part. I'm parting out a little piece on the side for baby hair on the other side, even though it's not gonna show. Like if the wind blows, I do want at least just one little swoop on that side. So the first thing we're gonna do is take that wax stick so that we could start hot combing. Okay, because it is not laying, it's not laid, so you have to get that hot comb and kind of lay it down. Now I hate using a hot comb on my head. I usually hot comb on the mannequin because the mannequin isn't gonna get burnt, and I've been burning my forehead lately, so you're gonna see me making all types of faces. Okay, it is hot. I'm also curling up the baby hairs, so I use the Eben edge control. And because it was hot like hell in the house, girl, that joint was melting like it was jam. So it started looking shiny, and I just wasn't liking the way it was looking. So from now on, I need to find something that molds the baby hair and holds it in place without it, you know, getting all that, you know, getting greasy and stuff. The even edge control never did that to me. Like, this is the first time, and I was just like, So what I did was I sprayed it with the Got to Be Glued ultra glued spray, and that kind of helped it out, but it still was a little shiny and greasy. So I'm gonna be looking for a different product for my edges, like just to mold the edges and keep them in place. But I took the clips out after I finished molding and, you know, combing down that baby hair, and I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna add some powder. So I have to add the powder to the lace in the front as well as my parting space to define it more, and that did it so much justice. It looks like scalp. So yeah, powder is my favorite thing. Like, this is like my favorite moment. Like, I'm done styling now, I could put that powder on and it just looks so natural. I cut lace as well because I felt like it was just sitting there, so I didn't really need it. So I just cut the lace off. So that's pretty much it for the styling portion. I'm going to give you all the specs and my thoughts on this unit now. Okay, I am back and this is my finished look and I love it. I love it so much. So let's get into the specs. So this hair is from Hairsmarket and this is their deep wave 100% human hair 13x4 HD wig. It is 26 inches, 180% density. If you don't want to have 180% density, they do have options higher and lower. Okay, so if this is like too much hair for you, you could go down on the density, and if you want it more full, then you can go up on the density. So again, I've been rocking this hair with a middle part and I was not feeling it with the middle part, not the hair but the style. So I was like, when I do the video, I'm gonna switch it up and see how I like it, and girl, I love it so much better with this side C part. Like, it looks so much better. The middle part curly just was not working for me. Okay, it just wasn't. Sometimes it be the style. Like, sometimes like every style doesn't look good with every hair, and it's okay. You just gotta switch it up a bit. So that's why I did the C part, and I know y'all like, girl, you always do the C part, but C parts don't feel me. Okay, they don't feel me. But anyway, yeah, this hair is beautiful. It is so soft and plush, and it's just a dream if you're looking for some good deep wave / curly hair. I consider deep wave kind of like a curly hair. Like, if you look at the tips, it looks a little bit more like, you know, defined and curly, and this part is just like really wavy. So I love me some good deep wave hair. For this hair, I would definitely say if you don't add any product, it kind of gets a little bit frizzy. So right now, I don't really have too much product in it. I have very, 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 very minimal. So you can see the frizziness a little bit. If you do add the, decide that you want like your curls to be more defined and kind of last in that defined kind of state throughout the day, I would say add product. Like, use even just a leave-in conditioner will work, but you know, there's always products for curly hair that you could use, like the Praxi Nectar by Carol's Daughter. That's a great option. That's like one of my favorite curly hair products for definition. So yeah, as far as washing the hair, I just use Hello Hydration's shampoo and conditioner. It smells good and it gets the job done. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for my experience. Like, I haven't been getting any like shedding. Shedding is very minimal. When it comes to the nape of the neck, I do get a little bit of like tangling and matting throughout the day, but it's not a lot. It's just a little bit because the hair is really long and the adjustable straps I have on really, really tight. So that tends to kind of like brush up against the nape a little bit, especially when it's the winter and I have a coat on. But I think that if it was like a little nicer and I didn't have like a whole bunch of things on my neck, it probably would not, like, you know, tangle and mat. But like I said, it's very light. It's not like a whole bunch. So doing your curly hair routine will be super duper easy because this hair is just so soft and plush. So like, as soon as the water hits it, it just like melts. It's just so beautiful. beautiful and it's easy to kind of like brush through. If I would recommend how many times you do your curly hair routine, I would definitely say daily. It's kind of like a high maintenance thing, but it really depends on the products you're using, because if you don't use products, like I said, it's going to get a little frizzy throughout the day, so that's why you're going to have to do it every day. But if you add a little product, you could probably push it to like every other day or so. And I would recommend wash by the end of the week, because if you're putting product in it, you need to wash your hair, you know. So if I had to give this hair a rating, I would give it a 10 out of 10. I haven't had any issues with this hair, like at all. Like, I have not had issues with this hair. The only thing was I just didn't like how it looked on me with a middle part, but other than that, I didn't have any issues with this hair. It's really beautiful hair. Like, for me, this is it. Okay, this is it. Lengthwise, thickness, the pattern, just everything. It is just so freaking pretty. So yeah, I'm gonna have the links to Hairsmarket and everything you need to know down in the bottom bar, just in case you want to check them out. I think I have a coupon code for you to save some more money on this affordable unit. Okay, I hope that y'all have a amazing week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will speak to you on my next video. Bye, y'all.